how to get this gorgeous, timeless makeup look worn by Sydney Sweeney. I got tons of requests to do Sydney Sweeney makeup because we have similar deep set eyes and not a lot of people show the process of how to do the eye looks. So here we go. First I started out with the RCMA HD foundation. Great for every day, but beautiful as well if you're going to be on camera or if you're going to have your picture taken. I use a brush to apply it in the center of my face, a sponge to blend it out, and then I go back in with a spot conceal with the same foundation just to make sure any blemishes are taken care of. Then I go in with a bronzer and a blush. Now I am bronzing and putting blush in the areas that I would normally place for an oblong face, which is my face shape. It is longer than it is wide. So I want to make sure that I look like I have more volume in my cheeks and on my forehead than on the bottom part of my face. Starting with the same bronzer I wore on my face, I'm actually going through my eye socket, so just in the crease and through to my temple so that it blends well with the rest of my complexion. Then I take two different shimmer eyeshadows. One has a little bit more of a gold flex to it and the other has more of a shiny silver. I just want to layer those to make sure that it's as sparkly as Sydney's was. Then going in with the eyeliner, I want to keep it very old school Hollywood, a very tight line liner, but I want to make sure that it's pigmented. So I go over that line with a black matte eyeshadow, blend that through in with the rest of your eyeshadow so that it looks like it's a seamless part, so that it looks like it just goes directly from your lashes into the rest of your makeup. She was wearing a very nude lip. I don't go that nude. I still like some sort of definition around my small lip, so I did line with a lip liner and then put a very nude pinky lip. To make sure it lasts all day, I do set my face just with a powder bronzer and a powder blush. Then I go through to make sure that the blush isn't too far in towards my nose, and that's it. And you have this gorgeous, glowy, timeless look. Enjoy!